In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send emails from a Trello board. We'll start right from the browser so everyone can follow along. Open your preferred browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Trello and press Enter. From the results, click the official Trello website to open it. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and log into your account so you can access your boards. Once you're in Trello, open the board you'll be working from. This is the board where you want your emails and replies to live, so pick the one that matches your project or workflow. Keeping communication inside the correct board will make it easy for your team to stay aligned. At the top of your board, find the Power-Ups icon in the board header and click it. In the panel that opens, select Add Power-Ups. You'll see a search field. Type Email for Trello. When you find the Email for Trello option, which is powered by SendBoard, click it and add the power-up to your board. If you're asked to authorize or allow access, follow the prompts. After it's added, you'll see it available to use on your cards. Next, open a card that represents the task or conversation you want to email about. Scroll to the bottom area of the card and click Power-Ups. From the list, choose SendBoard. Then click New Email. This opens a Compose window directly inside the card, so you can write and send your message without leaving Trello. In the To field, enter the email address of the person you want to contact. Take a moment to double-check the address so your message reaches the right inbox. In the message area, write your email. Keep it clear and actionable, and reference any relevant details already on the card, like due dates, attachments, or checklists, so everything stays connected in one place. You can keep the tone professional and concise while still being friendly and helpful. When your message looks good, click Send. The email is sent via the SendBoard power-up, and the conversation is automatically linked back to this card. As replies come in, they'll be visible on the card, giving your team a single source of truth and reducing context switching between tools. If you don't see SendBoard in the card, make sure the power-up was added to the board, and try refreshing the page. If your workspace restricts power-ups, you may need an admin to enable it. And that's it. You've gone from a Trello card to a sent email in just a few clicks. Search Trello, open your board, add email for Trello, open a card, compose, and send, all without leaving your workflow.